Chairman of the PLP, Bradley Roberts, today said that the Christie administration continues to dig the Bahamas out of the deep economic hole the Ingram government left behind in May 2012. Roberts pointed to a report from CIBC Bank that, in his words, praised the country and believes that the Bahamas' sovereign rating measures up pretty well against others in the region. Roberts also pointed out in the release that CIBC joins other international agencies such as Standard & Poor's, Moody's, the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank in giving the Bahamas government high marks for its fiscal consolidation plan, which is designed to arrest unsustainable borrowing and huge budgetary deficits year after year. Roberts added that the report highlighted continued improvement in the performance of the country's #1 industry, tourism, in that report that said that room revenue went up 11%, along with a 4.5% increase in stopover visitors. Roberts said it cannot be understated that the unbiased report on key performance indicators proves that the PLP can responsibly manage the public's purse. He added that it is, however, regrettable that there are persons and organizations in the country that only see doom and gloom and simply refuse to see the national picture on balance.